how to edit TikTok drafts. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my TikTok profile. So from here you want to go to your drafts. So here I have a random video. It's just an example for you guys. So you want to click on that, and then once you are here you have to go back. So click back, and then this is your video. So how you can edit this? You can go ahead to text, to effects, and add whatever you want, some stickers, sounds. You can add everything right here, even though it's a draft. So once you are good with it, once you like it, you can click next, and then you can post this. So you can just click on drafts right now if you don't want to post this, and now all your editing will be saved. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.